going to show off some of the features of SpoonFeed, which is my food and recipe-based video creation and sharing mobile app. You can get through the welcome section here. Users can log on securely with Google or with email, and you're brought to the For You page, which is sort of like the TikTok scroll area. Here you can scroll through food videos and recipes. Right now we're sort of preloading lots of videos. Users can come in and they can leave comments. You can scroll through other videos. You can go to the Discover page, which has the list of all of the videos that are uploaded. So you can search through and find ones that you particularly like. And then you can scroll through these as well. You can upload videos. So we'll drop that one in. We can leave the page and it'll continue uploading. You can create cookbooks, which are sort of like separate lists where you can collect videos that you like. And then you can come back to your feed, find a video that you think you like, and you can save it to a cookbook. Or even here, when you go and create bookmarks, you can create cookbooks here too. And you can save videos to those as well. And then you can find those videos once again when you come back into your cookbook section. And you can save multiple videos to a cookbook as well. On your profile page, you can do some edits. You can make a new display name and write a bio. And then this will be for later, but you can mark whether you're a professional chef or cook so that other people can search for you specifically. Oh, now we can see our video uploaded. It shows up in your personal profile. And you'll see this section here. It says spoon/stats. That's because I also added a little version of, I guess, Fruit Ninja into the bottom of the screen when you're on your feed. So you can scroll through and just sit here and do absolute brain rot fun, slashing away at the food. And yeah, we'll go ahead and let it get to the game over screen so we can see that. Game over, score of 8. We can close and go to the profile. So there's the app. We are going to continue working on this over the weekend and then add a bunch of AI features. I'm thinking voice transcription for the recipes, and then some other fun things to be determined. So yeah, very cool learning how to make mobile apps this week. Can't wait to continue on.